guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down is Ethereum, or ticker symbol ETH, the cryptocurrency, you guys. So currently we're up nearly 7% for the morning and fluctuating between 6 or 7%. We're going to first go over our support and resistance lines, and then we'll go into more in depth on where we're at. And keep in mind, we are on the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. This line right here represents our highest level of resistance tested. You can see at the $2,850 area that we came in this area, got rejected here, and a third time here. And you can see all the way down here when we ultimately failed on our last retest. You can see we started this downward trend to our lower level of support, which is at the $1,800 area. And this can be easily tested as well. You can see back here we had a lot of resistance. See, we got rejected over here, got rejected over here, and what used to work as resistance will work as support on the opposite side. So you can see these two candlestick wicks both came down in this area and got reversed all the way back up here. A couple bounces over here and another one over here. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys. And this middle line just represents a minor resistance and support line. So you can see that we got rejected over here, and back here we were testing this area as well. So you can see that why we came up into this area, the $2,449 area, after this pump that we started to get rejected, which is perfectly normal. We know we were up almost nearly 9 bars up. So for us to have a 50% retracement is completely normal. So I wouldn't doubt that we start reversing right here back up into this resistance area. And if we can do that, then we're going to start looking for a breakout. And at that point, at that breakout, we want to see this to break past it's about the $2,449 or $43 area. We would come up and come back down and retest this as a support level, and that could be a great entry as well. I don't really see an issue with getting in right now. The only thing is that we don't know how far back we'll be pulling back. But like I said, we want at least a 50% retracement. Any more than that can be considering that we could be reversing again back in a downward trend. But as of right now, it doesn't show that. We have a perfect 50% retracement as of right now. So if you were to get in, just like I said, keep in mind we do have this resistance back up here at the same level I was just mentioning, at the $2,043 area. So you don't know if we come back up in this area and we get rejected. So the safer entry, like I was saying before, would be to wait until we can break past this minor resistance to come up and come back down and retest it as a support level at the same area, 2,449 area. And that way you have a safer entry, and if we do break back below at that point, you'll know that there's relative weakness and you'll be able to get tagged out or get out and wait for a better entry. So as of right now, like I said, if you were to get in as of right now and plan on holding long-term or core trading, I don't really see it with an issue. Like I said, if we start pulling back down to these lower levels, the $1,800 area, that'd be a good red flag to get out and wait for a better entry. But as of right now, you guys, like I said, I don't really see an issue. We are above the trend line as well, so we are in this upward trend. Just keep in mind all those other factors that I just mentioned, okay? So if this video helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.